What's going on, YouTube? So if you have a junky doorknob switch, and when you open your door, the lights don't come on. You see, if I come over here and I fiddle around with it, it's on. I already did this to the driver's side, but one thing you can do is take a 12mm socket or wrench, take this off, and just clean it, because this is just the ground. So as it's touching, the frame, this button closes in, it opens the circuit. It comes out, it closes the circuit, thus giving you power. So I'm just taking some electrical contact cleaner, or at least that's how I figure it works. Electrical contact cleaner, spraying it down, just wipe it off a bit. And that should fix the problem. Put that back in, thread that back in. Door light still on. I need to get the cover. Try to turn it so it can be more easily seen. But yeah, I need to find a better way to secure those wires. And I think I broke the cover when I tried to pull it off. Close the door. The light is off. Open the door. It's probably because wire. Oh, nope. It's a switch still. Or is it? Yep. Try to get it to where they stay on. Yeah, I need to better get this secure off. And I think it's the slamming of the door and moving the wire, or it's still this switch. Yep. Off. I jiggle it, it's on. Push the button in, it's off. Let it go, it's on. Now it's off. Or yeah, it's off. The switch is out. So it's something with this little knob right here. So probably what I do is just spray in there. When I'm spraying in there, I am seeing a little, I guess you would call it smoke. It's working right. No problem with it now. So if your door light doesn't, or your dome light, footwell light don't come on when you open the door, that's probably why.